Hello again everyone, let's get this party started as I said. This is a Pacific lock, see there, Paclock 100A. I seen Boston Bill showcase these a while back, it's really near Paclocks, and I seen him pick one, and I've wanted one for a while. Kind enough, I swapped locks with Jeff Moss, and Jeff was kind enough to send one my way, and I had to buy sort of like half a dozen of them before they wouldn't sell them a single one, but it was well worth it. So thanks very much, Jeff, once again. Let's say the only marking on this is it says there Paclock USA, and it's aircraft grade aluminium. That's what it's sort of made out of. Nice brushed steel finish. There is your keyway. Pretty much up and down, and the core knees are very sloppy. Just sort of hear that. That's the sort of core flopping around, and it does work smoothly. It's not key retaining. Just locked up again, and there is your bitting on the keys. Not much to write home about again, but saying that, it's quite a challenging pick because of the core and the spring tension in there. It does make for a good challenge. So I'm going to use top keyway tension, usual Peterson pry bar and Peterson chain. Just start in the back and work my way forward. Sort of roughly moderate tension on these, by the way. They're not like the 100G models, which take ultra light tension. These are a different beast altogether. Because of the core, the way it's sprung, it does really make for a challenging pick. It really does. To say it will go into a false set, but it's not easy setting the spools because of that spring tension. There are a mixture of security pins in here. There are some spools and there are some straight pins. Sort of in the false set now, but it does go into a deeper false set. I'll just push the pry bar back in, sorry folks. Is open. There you go. Happy days. So I'm going to try something else here, which is seen on Boston Bill's video as well. These take a you guys call them a hex key. It's an Allen key to open these here. These are the crimped core version of these here, but I've been having a lot of these lately and having, a bit of trouble with them. So when I looked at the Bosnian Bill video, I seen that he was able to get one of these apart. Okay, and I've tried this before, so I sort of need something heavy to tap on this. So pray that this here goes right. So I'm using this heavy brass assa. And I'll probably make a layer in a minute. Oh, there it's going now. Okay. So just set that up there. And make sure I get this right. Happy days. Thought that was going to be a go a bit skew with on there. Anyway, number one is a standard pin, and pin number two is a standard pin. Pin number three is a standard pin. Pin number four is a standard pin. Pin number five, sorry guys, it's just a standard pin as well. They're all standard, so no counter milling or anything in the core. Pin number six, standard. Okay. Driver number one. Where did you go? There's we went. Two driver, sorry, is, sorry, that is a nice little series of pins. Very hard to see that. You can't really see that, so focus on out this camera. Sorry, nice wee series of pin, hard to see. Pin number three is spool. Pin number four, the spring, is another one of those sort of pins. I'm trying to get to see that. Come on, focus. Serrations on that. Hard to see. That was number four. Number five is a spool. And number six, sorry, that's your standard pin. There you go. So that's your Paclock 100. Sorry, what did I say that for? Paclock 100A single pin picked and gutted. So glad to get around that crimp core as well. Thanks very much for watching, folks. Sorry for the length of the video. Get yourself one of these if you like picking American type locks and you want a challenge. They're very good. Lovely lock. Also, if you read the back of the box, it says manufactured by a small family business that employs disabled and disadvantaged workers. So good on them. Good American company. Haven't sold out. Shout out to you. Love your locks. And take care, folks. All the best now. Bye bye.